Yeah, man. Your boy over here struggling, man. But it's still a blessing. 'Cause we got the candles and what you call them now? What them is right there? Top ramen noodles, man. We ain't playing. We still in the game. Still in the game. You know what I'm saying? You know, we gotta keep it biblical. We gotta keep it biblical, man. You gotta have a Bible somewhere in there. Jeremiah 41. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have something going on, man. Yeah, man. No lights, no heat, no nothing. Just life. We gonna make it, 'cause God is faithful.